Welcome back to another episode of Indoor Science. I'm going to walk, but I'm really nervous. And then there's a man, because I just fell off. And my shampoo put on thirsty. But it doesn't matter. Okay. I'm not opening that video. But that's still fine. Don't worry, I'm not going to fall down this time. I mean, I will upload the other two. Because, what? Okay. I don't know why, but this forest seems so... Anyways, there's two ways, guys, so I don't know which way to go. Left or right. Comment down below which way I should go. I'm obviously going left because that's the way I always go. Okay, let's try and not fall down this time, okay, guys? There's a video. I'm gonna have to might cut off this piece of video, but that's okay. I'd rather not do this, but it's the only choice. Okay, guys, okay, I'm back to another video of Indoor Science, and today, and I'll show you my name out, but it's okay. I'm okay. Alright, guys, okay. Let's go to the straight path, because, and mostly the flat path. I was not trying to put on this time because I would not like to do that. And I'm not going down there because you probably know what's going to happen. I mean, it wasn't really funny for me, but it was really funny for my big sister, Maddie. But that's fine. I'm okay with that. I might just stop talking now so you can hear all the beautiful sounds that there is. You can just take a look at my face the whole time. I'm kidding, I'm gonna put it forward. There you go. Whoa, no guys, just before we do that, you have to look at this way. I'm not gonna try to put it on this time, but we'll go down this way. Okay, so we made it. Here it is. Wait, give me a minute. Here it is. Look at that beautiful view, even though people have died here. It just matters in the looks of it. Look at that. Oh, there's a bright sun. Okay. It's time to head back up because I am not dying today. I still have loads of videos to make. I'm not bored. And now we're starting to get to the creepy bit, so I might have to stop, like, filming for now. But that doesn't matter. I'll always still be here, no matter what. Well, probably in 100 years I'll probably dead, but that doesn't matter. Just guys, what was that? Guys, I think I might be lost. My parents are probably looking for me right now. So, oh, there they are. I thought I was gonna, I mean, that's okay. Well, at least for now though, because I can't go back for now, but it's okay. It's my plants. I'm not touching them because I don't want to be pricked again. Oh, sorry, this video gets only about like 1 view. I'm gonna be so sad. I hope it gets about 1,000 views because it will really cheer me up. Basically, that's not the end of the video yet though. because I'm still uploading stuff and filming. There's some people over here. You see them? They're my parents, but the one on the left is not. Total strangers, by the way. Total strangers. Yeah, by the way, don't go to strangers, guys. Because I don't want any of my viewers getting kidnapped. Okay, so but that's okay. I'll just go to the side for a minute. It's a nice view. Yeah. Okay, here come my parents. Okay. Yeah, I did see them all. I'm just outspotting them because I only saw a couple. Okay, now we're going this way. There's a lot of trees. And I don't know really why this. I mean, it is a forest, so I shouldn't really say why there's so many trees. And so you should go and like, comment, subscribe, share, comment, hit that little bell. There's a mysterious man over here. Maybe some people in it. I don't know. Oh, but hey! Doesn't matter. Okay. What? There's just one. Look. It's just one. It's just one. It's one. Look, it's just one. You can always see one of these really red though. So, moving on. Moving on. Okay, moving on. So, you might be asking, then what are you going to do for the rest of the day? Well, sit in my room mostly. And there's a lot of white vans. There's some slippers as well. Pretty funny. Okay, maybe we'll have to stay away from the strangers. Coronavirus. Oh my god, it's a giant robin. It's a robin. No. But that's not the best part though. I'm gonna go this way. He said I'm really gonna go down.
That's the wrong angle.
No, it's not. Not under. Come off. Yeah. Okay. let's end the video here. Thanks for watching. Peace.